I am under the bread truck right now, and this is the solution I came up with. I got bolts and nuts to go all the way through and bolt them from both sides. So I got another one on the top that is done the same way. I don't know if you can see it from here. So this is my solution so far. I got 2 more holes I need to fill. There's one there, and then there's one over there. Here's evidence that these bolts have already been helicoiled. That's it right there. They backed out of the hole. This is gonna need some major repair for sure. All right, so I'm under the bread truck. I got 3 bolts with nuts in here in place, and I'm feeling pretty good about it. I think that this is gonna hold pretty well. I've also got another one like this on the top. So it cinched up that gap and it doesn't appear to be moving. I'm gonna go test drive it right now and see how it is. Wish me luck. I just got back from a test drive in the bread truck and I think I'm gonna be okay. I got nuts and bolts in there. It's not ideal. Ideally, it would be best to have the threaded holes with the proper bolts going into them. But I think this should hold. I think it should do fine. I think I'm in good shape here. I'm just gonna keep an eye on it and make sure that nothing changes, you know? It looks nice and tight now, and I think this is gonna do the trick. So I'm leaving tonight, Saturday night. I'm leaving on the road.